Hey guys, it's Ashley. I'm at our newest listing, 2074 Honeysuckle. This is a great property. I'm excited for you to take a look at it. Ranch style home, and you have 3 bedrooms on the main level, very spacious. Also, you have a finished basement that has recently been finished, so it's really neat downstairs. Has another bedroom, a family room area, also bonus area that, man, you could do so many different things with it. Lots of possibilities there. You have newer quartz countertops in the kitchen. You have an awesome sun port in the back, and that is absolutely to die for. It's right off the kitchen. You will love that. Also, newer roof, newer siding in the back as well, and hot water heater and the water softener are also newer as well. So I am really excited for you guys to take a look at this one. Sit back and enjoy the tour.